we study about the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is a total amount of water on our Earth planet, and 70% water found on it. Water can be exist in form of liquid, solid and gaseous form. Water is formed below the ground in form of groundwater, and water is also formed in above the ground in form of surface water, and water is also exist in form of water vapor. Now we study about water cycle. When sunlight fall on the water surface, then water start to evaporate and turn into the water vapor form. The water vapor form collected and it form a form of cloud, and water vapor converted into raindrops or snow and collected in river, lakes and ocean, and this process repeated again and again. So this process is called water cycle. Now we study about the atmosphere. As you all know that atmosphere surrounded the earth like an envelope of air, and it acts as a protective blanket. That atmosphere protects the various life on earth by absorbing radiation, and it also reduces the temperature between day and night. The changes in weather and climate are also due to the presence of atmosphere. Atmosphere gives oxygen and carbon dioxide for human beings, animals and plants.